Yeah, welcome. For the second explanations, as I'm telling you in the first video, here in second video, here. So since you have discovered that retail sales at this moment of time, retail sales is what? Retail sales is in red position. So since you have known that retail sales is red position, just switch your browser to fsblue.com. fsblue.com, relative currency trends. So you see how the currencies are measured, and according to their their percentage, and how weak or strong they are in the market at the moment of time. Now this is our second confirmation. We have known that retail sales of euro news, which means euro currency, is weak. Actual result is weak, is in red, which means the currency is weak. We are going to come here and confirm. As you can see here also, euro currency is also weak, which means we have made our two confirmation that euro is weak according to the news. Then we will now look for the strong currency that we are going to use to pair it. The strong currency that is in green position here. As you can see, USD is strong with plus 3.5, which means at that moment of time, if you went to your market, if you go to your market on MTR4, then you click on Euro USD. If you sell, you will click on sell, because euro is what? Euro is weak while USD is strong. So you are going to stake on sell, which means euro USD, you sell. USD is strong, euro is weak. If the actual result of that euro news is strong, which means you check here and you can see that euro is also strong here, and you can see that USD is weak, which means you are going to place your trade euro USD, you are going to buy for you to make profit. I think you are getting my point. For the uses of that forex factory, as well, same thing applicable. The opportunity and the chance of using both forex factories and my FS book is that if there is no news on my FS book, there will be news in forex factory. As you can see now here, that euro retail sales news is not that come up in 8 a.m. this morning, is not in forex factory, but it's in my FS book. Then I trade it and make profit from it. You can see now, as at 2:15 p.m. today, we have what? We have ADP non-farm payroll news, which is what? Which is the news that we are going to be monitoring, that I told you that it will affect the market. As you can see now, this is their forecast, this is their previous. Then we are waiting for the actual result by 2:15. If the actual result is green, and as you can see now here, this is green I'm talking about here, that I click it on. Actual result here is green for AUD. I traded and I make $10 from it in the midnight, because I just scrap, so I don't wait too long for it. So if the actual result of this USD non-farm employment change, the result is what? If the actual result is what? Is strong, that means we are good to go. The only thing we need to do is just to come to our my FS blue. We are going to come to my what? We are going to come to my FS blue. So we are going to come to my FS blue to confirm. News is our first confirmation if we want to trade on fundamental analysis. What was the news is saying will guide us through how to enter and to trade the market and make profit. If the actual result of non-farm employment change is also known as non-farm payroll. If the actual result came out and we can see that the result is what? The actual result is in green color. So we are going to come to our MyFS Blue, click on more market data, click on currency strength meter. As you can see here, this short term, medium and long term based on your time frame. Based on what? On your time frame. If you are someone that is trading 15 to 30 minute time frame, just choose short terms. If you are someone that is trading 1 hour, 4 hours time frame, click on medium. Weekly or monthly, click on long. Then if you want to custom your what? If you want to custom your time frame, you click on custom. You select it. If you are you select it according to the time frame you are trading. Then the issue of bar, you select it to be a full 100. Now, as we have already checked the result of our non-farm payroll, if the result is out and we can see that okay, the USD, the actual result is what? The actual result is in green position. Then we check here as well. We see that okay, USD is also strong. Go, it is plus 2.9. Then that means we are just going to come and check the pair that we are going to use it. We check the pair that is weak here. As you can see here, gold is weak, euro is also weak, JBP is also weak. So as you can see now, we have that USD is strong. Then you can see a lot of pairs here that has already weak. The only thing we need is just we have confirmed our, we have make our tool confirmation. Then we went to our what? To our MetaTrader 4. Then we what? We went to our MetaTrader 4. I think I have some news that is coming up here. We went to what? We went to our MetaTrader 4. Then immediately when we get to our MetaTrader 4, so we can see that USD is strong and euro is weak. We click on euro USD here. We click on sell. The reason why I didn't click on it is that the actual result is not out yet, but I can see the actual result of that USD non-farm payroll according to my research that I've been doing on Forex, but it's not applicable for the beginners. The actual result will be in green position. But if we have made our confirmation that okay, this is how the market is moving, this is how the market is moving, we have confirmed that our actual result is in green, then we find another pair that is weak to pair it. If the euro, as you can see now, as the euro is weak, then USD is strong, which means euro USD, we are going to click on sell. We place our trade, monitoring our trade. Once we enter profit and reach our minimum target, then we exit the trade and book our profit. Then we left the market. This is how fundamental analysis is working. That's how fundamental analysis is working. This based on research of 7 years experience on each news that is affecting the market that I gather up and write it up for you. Kindly work on it, practice it on demos, and make sure that you are getting it better.